marinated up some chicken thighs in chipotle and adobo sauce. Chipotle and adobo sauce. And some salt and oil. A little bit of garlic powder. Marinated it for like a day or two. Your chicken thighs. Ooh. I shouldn't have turned it over yet, but
What you put on the grill? Like what spray do you use?
I use avocado oil spray.
Okay.
My favorite.
It smells good too already.
Then
Where'd you get the Chipotle seasoning from?
I bought a can of chipotle peppers and adobo sauce. Put it in a blender. Blend it up with some oil, onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of salt, and then I marinated it.
How long did you marinate it for?
2 days. Only because I was gonna cook it and then I was lazy. So I ended up marinating it for 2 days.
Okay, what's up, guys? Like I said earlier, we got the sauteed peppers and onions. We have the white rice here. We got the black beans. My wife promised me she was gonna do something cool tonight. So we're gonna do some Chipotle, homemade Chipotle. I'm telling you, this rice tastes just like Chipotle, but a little bit better.
A little bit better.
So what did you put in the rice to make it taste like that?
I made the rice and then I added lime juice, avocado oil, and some salt, and then cilantro at the end. But I don't put the cilantro in while it's hot. I put it in while it cools off a little bit. But
Okay.
I don't want it to wilt.
That smoke is getting to you?
Yeah, a little bit. It's all right.
But it smells good. This smells so
I
good.
know, it smells so good. It smells like a restaurant. I need to open up my own restaurant. Thank you for your support. I'm starting out, so I really appreciate you guys watching and tapping. If you guys get a chance, you could visit my website, thewritersoven.com. Show some support. Thank you.
You want me to put the stove on for
Huh? For what?
to keep the stuff hot?
We could warm it up. You could cover the peppers, I guess. I might be able to do 3.
Is that the key?
Huh?
The trick is to let it marinate for more than a day.
Well, a day is fine. You could even do a couple hours, but I someone asked. Is this low? Is this low? I want to turn it down low. This is really high? Down here?
Okay, down there. You can see the flame through the water.
Yeah. It's gonna burn. I'm gonna move this way. I turned it up or I turned it down? Which one? I fixed it. grill master.
The grill master. Ooh. It's cool to post videos, but we're gonna start going live whenever we make dinner. You know, it's a lot more fun, and we want to get to know people. Right? You like that better?
What?
Instead of just posting videos, we can start going live.
Yeah.
Share what we cook at home.
If ever cooked, but something tells me that I need to cook more.
Yeah.
Right?
More. You think you should close the top or not?
Let me see. Hold up.
I just turned some around.
I would if you can't handle the spice, I would take out the peppers from the adobo sauce. Maybe blend up one pepper and just use the sauce of the in the adobo. I meant the sauce in the peppers, which is the adobo sauce. But if you like spice, you could leave it in. I kind of like spice. I mean, I do like spice, but sometimes I'm not in the mood for anything overly spicy. How do you guys season up your grilled chicken? The four of you that's on live right now, how do you guys grill your chicken? How do you season it? This is the first time seasoning it like this for me. I usually put like adobo, regular adobo, like the powdered adobo, garlic powder, onion powder, sazon. Those are my go-to spices. Chili powder, sometimes paprika. Oh, I put paprika in this too. All right, I'm gonna cover this just to get it cooking a little bit.
Oh, you see that steam come off? Yeah. You should start doing this more often. Just go live, start cooking dinner together, and then we can all talk. What you guys cooking for dinner out there? So who taught you how to cook?
Who taught me how to cook?
Yeah.
Myself. My mom taught me how to cook a little bit, not really though. But I just learned from having to do it. I wanted to eat. I was hungry. I couldn't afford to eat out, so I had to learn how to cook.
What was the first meals you made by yourself?
I don't remember. Oh, I think well, I had a steamer. I would steam vegetables in it. Then I would make like chicken, baked chicken. right? Just plain like baked chicken, and then I just progressed from there. Then started like really creating my own dishes, like the black beans I make.
Hmm.
Started making spaghetti and stuff like that, but I put my own twist to it where I just season it up. And everybody who eat my food, they're always like, "Dang, your food is really good. It's like flavored really well. It's like seasoned, you know. It's not like regular spaghetti or regular beans. It's just I had that special touch, you know. And
Yeah, I see.
that's why I feel like I could make a living out of this, man. Because like everybody, that's the most compliments I ever get in life is that how much I could cook and how
Well,
well
you're
I cook
beautiful
and how
too.
well I flavor food, huh?
You're beautiful too.
Oh, thank you. You're so sweet. Okay, I think it's ready. Yeah, it's ready. It's ready to go. It's gonna get burnt and dried out.
So, what are you gonna make? A burrito or like a burrito bowl?
I'm gonna make a burrito bowl, and if I'm still hungry, maybe a burrito, just to see
Hmm.
how it tastes.
Okay. But you know
The
what?
thing
To
is
be
with
honest with you,
Chipotle, what?
the burritos in California are huge.
Yeah.
Chipotle is like not even that big compared to real burritos.
But the thing is with Chipotle, the the breading, the Chipotle tortilla, it's mad thin. It's like really thin. But the ones
Hmm.
we buy from the store is thicker. I feel like, and
Let me
it's
show
like
them. Let me show them the burrito. Well, right now we have this one, and it's yeah, the
thick,
large
right?
burrito. Yeah, it's pretty big. What's the calories on that? Let's see. 220 calories per serving. Wow. But we also have these, right? The small ones. And we use this for like fajitas or like, soft
Tacos.
tacos. And it's 100 calories each. Think
I will
about that.
put like a little bit of rice just to give it some
Hmm.
texture, but not put a bunch of rice because it's already a lot of carbs.
Yeah, the older we get, we're starting to be more health conscious. I mean, we're not perfect, but we're paying attention to sugar, how much starches we eat. You know, when you're young, you don't really care about that. You just eat whatever.
Yep.
But you have to be mindful. All right,
And that's it.
looks good.
It smells so good.
Bam, zabam. So we ready? We getting ready. Let's do the drum roll. So whoever's been in here watching, I want to thank you so much because it's very hard to go live on here and get love from people, but we want to bring good content, not controversy or drama. We're God fearing people, and we want to bring good things to the world. Spread love and happiness. Our home is just like that. It's a good home. This is the rice, y'all. The Chipotle rice. What you got in here?
Cilantro and lime, oil, and some salt.
What kind of oil?
I use avocado oil because I like avocado oil. I think olive oil has like a strong taste.
What's this?
This is onion and peppers.
Now I like onions and peppers. I just don't like a lot of it in my burrito. You like it
I
though.
love it.
And what?
This is just black beans. Usually I make my black beans a hella flavor. I put red pepper, onion, garlic, but you just wanted it plain. You're not even eating the black beans. I should have just made it the way I made it. And then this. I didn't make this. I want this.
Also upside down.
Side right up.
Bam.
Upside right.
Now I wanted some refried beans, refried pinto beans. Let's see.
Then I wanted this. I like Mateo's.
Mateo's. What's this? Gourmet salsa hot. Are you gonna put some of your homemade hot pepper sauce?
Nah, that's mad hot.
Did y'all see the video of the hot pepper sauce? It's our latest video. My wife made habanero. Was it Carolina Reaper and Trinidad Moruga peppers, hot sauce.
It's fermenting right now.
It's fermenting right now, yeah.
But I blended it up last night.
Do you have some of the worry pepper sauce?
I'm just having more cilantro. I like cilantro.
Smells good. That cilantro smells good.
Yeah.